Mountains, ancient and immovable, yet full of life. They have shaped the earth for hundreds and millions of years. The story begins deep beneath the surface, with the shifting of planets' tectonic plates. Mountains play a crucial role in shaping the climate. Despite their seemingly harsh environments, mountains are home to some of the most diverse and fragile ecosystems on Earth. Mountains are more than just physical features. They are deeply woven into the cultures and lives of people who live near them. For many, mountains are sacred, representing a bridge between the earth and the heavens. But these towering giants are facing unprecedented challenges. Climate change, deforestation, and unsustainable tourism are putting pressure on mountain ecosystems and the people who rely on them. Close to 1 billion people depend directly on mountains for their water, food, and livelihoods. From the rare plants to elusive predators like the snow leopard, these high altitude environments are home to some of the most unique and specialized species on Earth. For centuries, mountains have not only shaped the physical world, but have also been central to human culture and spirituality. To many, mountains are sacred places, symbols of strength, endurance, and connection to the divine. More than 30% of world's fresh water originates from mountain regions. Mountains are valuable to us. So are forests. Do you want to explore forests? Then check out this video right now. Thanks for watching.